There we got FX coming at you with another live video. Today we're going to be talking about Euro USD, doing a little technical analysis over USD, looking at some potential moves. So let's go ahead and get into it without further ado. All right, so first and foremost, we're going to go ahead and pull up our plain Jane template. Start on the 4 hour. You could start on the 4 hour or the H1. It really doesn't matter. Most times I like to start on the H1. I like to see which way the market's been going for the week for the most part. As we can see, we started down here. Let's go ahead and mark that up down here. We started down here. Very strong support level down here. Okay. We've got a very strong push. Almost 160 pips, 150 pip push. Very strong push up. All right. We didn't see any fall back down to this level, so we could be looking for some activity at this level at a later point in time. For now, we're going to be looking at potential entry upcoming. So let's go ahead and find that entry. So now we've come from this point and going up to this point. Now from here, we can see that we've did a little bit of a retrace. Boom, about almost halfway down. So our first retrace area, we're going to go ahead and mark that and pull that all the way over. Okay, we're going to start at the tip and pull it all the way over. Okay, boom, there we go. All right, let's go ahead and pull this over as well so everything matches up. Okay, cool. Now there is level 1 and level 2. Okay, that's our support. Here is our resistance for Euro USD H1. All right, now some people would put a trend line there. Matter of fact, we can go ahead and do that. All right, we got a boom. We got a little level of structure right there, a little level of structure right here. Also another little level of structure right here. So what we're going to do is put the trend line starting from right there. 1, 2, and then we got 3 touches right there. Okay, boom. 1, 2, 3 touches to that trend line. We have 1, 2 touches to this resistance area. And as you can see from here, we've actually gone up through it. And then after that, we've actually come down back through it. So that's a nice, good indication that this level is going to hold when we see some type of inducement. All right, when we see some type of inducement at this level, that's a nice indication that the level is going to hold. Okay, now boom, boom, bam. Now here we could be looking at another touch up there. Now from here, it could go up here, it could go, we could do whatever, whatever it does from at this point. But what we're looking for at this point is a break of some sort here. Since we got our inducement, now we're looking for a lower high break and some type of move like that. And potentially we could be looking for a move all the way down back to this nice area of support. All right. 100 and what's that? 130 pips. All right. So this is potentially what we could be looking at for Euro USD. Okay, we got 1 touch there, 2 touch there. We could be looking for a 3rd touch. Our lower, we got a higher high. Now we could be looking for a lower high. Now if we get a lower high at this area, that's our entry for sure. And then we could enter again on the break and the retest of this trend line. All right. But for the most part, we're looking for a break of this trend line and a retest of that. All right. So that is Euro USD. That's how I like to analyze my charts. Very simple. I don't like to go back 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 months because it's really no point in that for me. That's not how the market makers, the bank traders trade. They don't go back that far just to see a level. They like to see, okay, here is a level where traders are. Boom. Let's go ahead and induce that level. Let's go ahead and take traders out at that level. And then we're going to go ahead and push it back down or go push it up, push it back. You know what I'm saying? You don't need to go back months upon months upon months. You're going to confuse yourself more that way. So I like to go back, and this is just April here. Boom. You feel me? This is just April. This is not even, this is the same month. We're using the same month of information, and we just capitalizing on that. All right. Now, if it goes up, hey, our trade is invalidated. Right? Goes up, breaks past here. If it does this, our trade is invalidated. Right? If it does this, now if it does that, it's not invalid yet. But if it does this, boom. If it just does this, it's not invalid yet. But if it does this, boom, and it stays above everything like that, then our trade has been invalidated. But until it does that, boom, retest, boom, or break, read something like that, and keep going, that's when our trade would be invalidated. Until that point, our trade is intact and valid, indeed valid. All right, we're looking for this type of structure right here. Okay, guys. Now that's EURUSD. Gonna be doing more videos, more analysis videos. Tell me what you guys want to see in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos, guys. Tips and tricks, all that good stuff. Hey, stay tuned. Subscribe, guys. Welcome aboard.